October 18, 2025, at Gyeonggi Province Economic and Science Promotion Agency, the 19th International Mathematical Science Creativity Competition and Conference was held. This year's theme is Space Pioneering, to the Moon and Mars Together. Humanity's imagination goes beyond the Earth, an era moving toward the Moon and Mars. Children's creativity is unfolding towards the wider universe. This competition, based on the creative educational tool 4D Frame, a fusion of math, science, engineering, and art, it was created as a place for future creative education. 4D Frame is not simply a tool for creating works of art. Children design their own structures, assembled by hand, analyzing the cause of failure, re-edit, and come up with a solution strategy. It is a thought-training tool. In this process, children naturally develop spatial perception ability and logical thinking ability, develop their understanding of mathematical structures. Also, force and balance, load and symmetry, the physical concepts of structure and connection. See with your eyes, experience with your hands. You will understand it with your body. What is more important than quickly finding the answer is what do you think, how to try. It's about how you solve problems. Right at this point, 4D Frame training is emphasis on problem-solving skills and thinking processes. It touches the core of gifted education. This International Mathematical Science Creativity Competition, children ask themselves questions, imagine the structure, collaborating with friends to create new possibilities. It was a stage of convergence thinking. STEAM education is mathematical thinking, scientific principles, engineering design, technological utilization, and it is an activity that combines creative expression. 4D Frame provides this STEAM education. It provides the most intuitive and vivid experience. In this competition, creative sector, mecha sector, invention maker sector, capstone project, STEAM division, software sector, etc. Contests were held in various fields. Participants based on their own ideas, build structures, design movements. Through the process of solving problems, express your own creativity. One small frame is connected. It becomes a new structure. The structure becomes a work of art again. Children's minds expand to greater possibilities. At the competition site, there was learning beyond competition. Shining brighter than the finished result, there was a challenging process. Also, through the conference, direction of creative education and nurturing future talent, a variety of perspectives were shared. The education that 4D Frame aims for is discover infinite creativity. It's about connecting that creativity to solving real-world problems. Like space exploration toward the Moon and Mars, children's challenges for the future, it starts with imagination. And that imagination, in the process of creating, failing, and trying again, you will grow into real skills. 19th International Mathematical Science Creativity Competition and Conference, IMSCC 2025. Here, I saw the fingertips of children planning their future. And it blooms at your fingertips. Enter the universe of creativity. Creative education with 4D frames. Beyond today's learning, we create the possibilities of tomorrow. Together to the Moon and Mars and to a broader future.